Hi, I'm Pierre. In this video, we'll be talking about exports. Sometimes it can be useful to get a list of all your projects or savings report into an Excel format for further analysis. We'll demonstrate how you can get an export from Per Angusta and the place where you can find all of your previous exports. Enjoy the video. All modules in Per Angusta will let you export data into an Excel file. To do that, simply click on the Export button and you will get the default export for that module. The export will contain all the projects that are in scope of the current page, here 467, displayed in euro. If you change the currency or if you apply any filter that expands or reduces the number of projects, this will be reflected into the export. For some modules, there are more than one export available. If that's the case, simply click on the drop-down menu and pick the one that is relevant for you. An export generally takes 1 or 2 minutes. It can be more depending on the volume of data that you are exporting. When the export has been generated, you will receive an email with a link to download your export file. It is important to know that you don't have to wait for that email to arrive before you can actually download the file. Simply click on your profile, select your exports, and you will get a list of all the exports you've made in the past 6 months. If your export is not complete yet, you will see the progress. Come back a bit later when it's done to download it. As usual, if you have any question, please get in touch with your admin or reach out to the support and we'll give you some help. Thanks for watching.